Hey guys, Old School Fan back again. I'm going to do something a little bit different today on the channel. I'm going to do this 2019 Donruss baseball box break. I just did a 2018 Topps Chrome, and I tried to record it, but my phone stopped recording, and I didn't know it, so I ripped through the whole box without getting it recorded. But we'll go through a few of the cards right quick. We got this Cody Bellinger, beautiful card. Austin Hayes, then another Cody Bellinger, Future Stars, Jordan Montgomery, Chris Bryant, 35th anniversary, in Hap. Beautiful Mike Trout, Justin Turner. Then I got this beautiful green Molina. And we got a Victor Robles. That's a Pujols refractor. Then we got a Victor Robles purple. Beautiful card. Got a Devers. Nicky Del Monaco. I think that's how you pronounce that. Reese Hoskins. Otani. And I got I got 3 hits out of the box. You're supposed to just get 2, but it was a hot box. I got this Walker Buehler redemption. Not a fan of redemptions, but at least it's a good player. We've got an Adrian Sanchez. Don't know much about him. And then we got a Jordan Luplo. Probably butchered that last name. I've never heard of him. But that was the best cards out of that. So with that said, let's get into the Donruss, and let's see if we can't pull something out of here that is pretty decent. I busted about 4 of these the past month or so, and I'll just flip through a few cards that I got sitting here that comes out of this product. You get these American Pride cards, very nice inserts. Get a couple of them a box. Then you get these variations where they spell out like the full name of the player, and you get these full cards, kind of refractor look. There's a Miguel Andujar, Anthony Rizzo, Miguel Cabrera, and you get these Diamond Kings. Then these are pretty nice cards that comes in it. These nicknames. Then you get these Dominators, Alex Bregman. I got 2 different ones of them. You get the franchise features, Chris Bryant. And then I got these Parallels 150th anniversary, numbered out of 150. And then they got these here that is also a short print. There's several short print type cards that come out of this. Here's what the jersey cards look like. Got that 1985 design. And there's a Votto, Buehler, Freeman. Then here's the rookie jerseys. And the last box of this I busted. Here's what some of the autographs looks like. And the best one that I got out of those boxes is this Ivan Rodriguez autograph. It is a sticker, but still very nice card. So hopefully we can pull something out of here that is even better than that. So with that said, let's rip into this, and hopefully I can record this video without screwing up again like I did on the first one. So let's tear into these. You're guaranteed 3 hits per box. So alright, pack 1, here we go. Hopefully I can record this without having any more interruptions and make a decent video for y'all. Alright, there's a 1985 style rookie card. Alright, Here's numbered out of 349, George Springer. Very nice card. Then we got a Jacob deGrom, Diamond King. It's a second year Juan Soto. So that's it for the first pack. This one feels pretty thick, so we might have a hit coming up here. These packs sometimes are a little bit stubborn. Alright, got a Salvador Perez, Justin Williams, Daniel Cabrera, American Pride, Paul Goldschmidt, Diamond King. And this is also a short print. It's like a nickname. You can see it ain't his actual name on there. Then we got a Dennis Santana and a J.D. Martinez. Alright, pack 3. Hopefully we hit something big out of this. It would be very nice. Alright, we got some shine coming up. This is a Kevin Newman rookie. Got a Anthony Rendon. Alright. Here's the nickname insert. This is Javier Baez, numbered out of 249. Beautiful card. Love that color. Blue and green. Alright, flip on through these. Don't see nothing else. But that was a very nice insert. I like this product pretty good. I mean, it sucks that there ain't no logos, but you do get a lot of different cards. A lot of different types, inserts, rookie short prints, all that good stuff. Alright. We got a short print here. I'm not really sure what you call them, but I'm pretty sure those are short prints also. Chris Sale, Diamond King. The only bad thing, you gotta do a lot of flipping around. Here's another nickname short print. Corbin Burns, I guess you pronounce that. Alright, no hits so far. Should be 3 in this box. I have gotten 4 before. Alright. Here we go. We got a Jacob Nix. Ozzie Albies. Then we got a Luis Ortiz rookie. Aaron Nola Diamond King. Alright, here is a short print. Also, got the full name there. This is Ronald Acuna. Very nice. Alright, Adrian Beltre, future Hall of Famer. And Jake Bowers, ready rookie. Alright, something's coming here. This is a very thick pack, so should be a hit in this. If I can open them up here without doing any damage. Could be a dummy card also. They put them spacers in some of these. Alright, got a Walker Buehler. The 85 style. And maybe we got an autograph here. I'm not sure. Javier Baez. Nope. This is a numbered out of 500. Just got that refractor look to it. And got a dummy card. And here's another nickname short print. Here's a Otani, Diamond King. Beautiful card. Nick Williams, Yadier Molina. Alright guys, no hits so far. I feel that we're going to hit something good in this. Staying positive that we're going to walk away with a good hit here. Alright. Here is the 150th anniversary short print. Ready rookie. Very nice cards. Alex Bregman, Jacob deGrom, Matt Carpenter, and nothing else. Alright, moving along. Here is a very thick pack. There got to be a hit coming out of this. Alright. I believe our first hit is going to be in this one. We got a rookie catcher. Tyler O'Neill. And our hit is going to be Peter Alonso. I'm not real familiar with him, but a nice card. Rated rookie. Then we got a Diamond King and a rookie of the 85 style. Got a name variation. Got a Steven Duggar, rated rookie. Think he's going to be pretty good. And alright, moving along, guys. Guess I need to speed up, or this is going to turn into a long video. Willie Calhoun. Alright, we got something else coming up here. There's another rookie of the 85 style. Got a Chris Shaw. Numbered out of 99. Very nice card. Got that nice refractor look. So there is our second hit. Nothing special. Justin Meadows. Diamond King. Another rookie. There is Ronald Acuna Jr. Alright. Well, I was hoping for a big hit. So far, nothing. Nothing huge anyways. Gleyber Torres. 85 style. Noah Syndergaard. Josh James. Rated rookie. Mookie Betts. Ronald Acuna Jr. Diamond King. Cody Bellinger and Danny Jansen. Alright, I'm at 13 minutes already. Goodness. I'm slow. Hope you guys don't mind. Hope I ain't boring y'all to death. Miles Straw. Alright, got another hit coming up. Never heard of this guy. It is the 85 style. Another jersey. Looks like Lorenzo Cain. So that is our third hit, but I have gotten 4, so we'll see if we get a hot box. Would be nice. More hits, the better. Still got about a half of a box to go. Alright, got the 85 style, Brian Anderson. Flip these around. There's another name variation. And nothing else in those. Go ahead and take these out. I'll bump the camera. I think we still got about 10 packs. Alright. Got a Paul Goldsmith. We got a Brett Kennedy. And here is a Jose Altuve to 149. Nice cards. A Diamond King and a Brandon Lowe. Luis Arias, rated rookie. And Adam Jones. So here's a thick one. Might be a hit, or it could be another dummy card. Looks like a dummy card. Patrick Wisdom. Scooter Gennett. Jake Cave, I guess you pronounce that. A dummy. Diamond King, Javier Baez. And we got a Raymond Laureano. Probably butchered that too. I'm not real familiar with a lot of these guys. I don't follow baseball as closely as I used to, but I still love to break the baseball products. Alright. Got a 85 style rookie. Here is a short print. Got a Diamond King. Blake Snell, Adrian Beltre, Starling Marte, and Francisco. So here comes another thick one. I'm hoping for a fourth hit. So far, not too bad, I don't guess. Aaron Nola. Got a 85 style design, Nelson Cruz. Another one of those dummy cards. Got a Trevor Story. Name variation. And a rated rookie of Kyle Tucker. Alright, still got a few packs left here, guys. This break takes a little bit longer to do than I thought it would have. Alright, James Paxton. I ain't gonna try to pronounce that. Another rookie short print. Gleyber Torres. Paul Goldsmith, Diamond King. Max Muncy. So nothing there. Got a thick pack here. I think it's just another dummy card though. 85 style. Nope, we got a hit coming up. Freddie Freeman. So we did get 4 hits. Got a Christian Yelich. Very nice. So 4 hits. Very nice. They guarantee you 3, but sometimes you get 4. I bought a box about a month ago where I got 4 hits also, so that is great. They ain't the best of hits, you know, they ain't nothing spectacular, but at least you do get hits and a lot of good insert short prints, rookies, and a little bit of everything in this product. Alright, we got a Jonathan Davis, then we got a short print coming up here out of 49. I'm not for sure about that one. some kind of ribbon there on it. Some kind of short print. Aaron Judge. Got a Diamond King. And Wade Davis. And Aaron Judge again. There's a Judge and there's a Judge. So some kind of variation there also, I guess. A lot of these I ain't real familiar with. I know they got several different variations and short prints in this set. Got a rookie, Madison Bumgarner. Another short print, Aaron Nola, Christian Yelich, Alex Bregman, Reese Hoskins, Chris Archer. So nothing there. It sure would be nice to get another hit. That'd be crazy. It's a thick pack, but I don't think it's a hit. Alright, we got a Jose Altuve out of 169. Lots of shine on that. And another dummy card. Diamond King, 85 style. Got a Mike Trout. And a rookie pitcher, Austin Turner. So 3 packs to go here. Get this, get these busted open here, and hopefully we can hit something here in these last 3 packs. Another Mike Trout. This is Mookie Betts, numbered out of 999. Beautiful card. Kind of reminds me of the old style leaf inserts. Beautiful. We got a Trevor Richards rookie. Another Diamond King. And we got Cedric Mullins, ready rookie. Alright, 2 packs to go, guys. Very thick pack coming up right here. Can we get another hit? Probably not, but who knows. Brandon Lowe. There's another name variation. Now, here's some kind of card. Javier Baez. Just a Diamond King short print of the 150th anniversary. Very nice card. Numbered out of 150. Just lots of different stuff in these. There's another name variation. Diamond King. And nothing else. So, last pack, guys. Almost 25-minute mark. Another thick pack. I think it's just a dummy card, though. Victor Robles. Kevin Kramer. Trey Mancini. A dummy card. Another name variation. Javier Baez. Diamond King. And the last 3 cards is nothing special. But we did end up getting 4 hits out of this box, guys. At my local card shop, I pay 70 a box for these. It's nothing. Usually don't get no huge hits, but at least you do get hits, inserts, and this, that, and the other. There's lots of different cards in this product, so you do feel like you're getting a little bit better bang for your buck, I guess you could say. But that's it, guys. I hope you like this first box break, the first one ever on my channel, and I hope to do more of them in the future. And if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you hadn't. And until the next video, guys, I'll catch you later, and thanks for watching.